What's up, guys? It's Tish. Today I am going to be doing this beautiful look. It actually turned out really well. I didn't think it was, but it did. And then I don't know, maybe I feel like I could blend it a little better. Oh my gosh! In my intro video, I just want to blend already. Like, okay, wait. Okay, hold on. I just want to blend. Anyway, I hope you guys been liking my vlogs I've been doing. I only did 2 so far. My friend Cassie was like, Tish, I really like those little cute vlogs. Like, they're really cute. Like, I like those. And I was like, yay. And she was in the one I just did yesterday. But yeah, I hope you guys like them. I'm trying to switch it up. It's just like, doing vlogs are much easier than like sitting down and actually doing makeup tutorials. So I'm gonna do like like 2 makeup tutorials every week. No, I probably want to do only 1 makeup tutorial every week. Oh my gosh. Guys, I just got my nails done and it's about to come off. Yo, I'm pissed. Whatever. Let's get to the makeup tutorial. I'm not the prettiest you've ever seen, but I have my moments. I'm about to do something new. I haven't used it in a long time. This cover up that I had, well, foundation. Why I said cover up. And I'm actually going to use a beauty blender today. It's got a little bit damped. I'm using True Match Super Blendable Makeup. It's the warm caramel binge. I used to wear this stuff ever since I was in high school. I don't want to get it on my hands, so I'm just gonna kind of like that, and just kind of do strips, because you know it'll go everywhere. So doing that. It's been so long. Holy crap. I used to use a beauty blender every day, so like it a lot, like, and then I moved over to my brush again, foundation brush, but I wanted to actually try it again. And honestly, I like it a lot. It's been so long since I used it last, so I don't like getting foundation on my ear, but sometimes I have to do it. I just want to blend. And I kind of do like this cover up because it actually blends more with my actual skin tone. I was noticing when I was like trying it out. The other ones I use is kind of a little bit darker. I like being a little bit tan and a little bit darker. Usually you don't hear that from like a mixed girl say that you want to be darker, but I love like kind of being a little bit darker and actually having like a tan look to me. This makes me like a little caramel. Looks good though. Okay, so now I'm going to set it. I definitely need to set this kind. I don't have this kind is not full coverage at all. This is like an older brand of foundation. So right here, right here, here. Kind of dab it look at my face also. I'm kind of sad because I just realized that I forgot to put my primer on. I'm gonna make a look out of this one today, which I usually do. I'm gonna take my Violet Cassis. I want to see Cassie, but it says Cassis. Before, what I put on my base of my eyes is I can't pronounce that damn word, but it's that one. And then I'm using Violet Cast right here for my outer corners of my eyes. So something very light. I guess this is called a halo. We're about to do a halo. It's like a fluorescent purple and it's like really pretty. And I love it. I think I already did like a purple look on my channel, but okay, so then I'm going to take the honey lavender right here. I'm going to put that in the middle of that. I don't really need to put freaking concealer around it. It looks pretty good just like this. Ooh. I knew it'll work out perfect. I knew it. Guys, I'm so obsessed with this color. Like, it's so pretty. And, like, it's like I said, fluorescent. And I feel like I need, now I feel like I need to put, like, oh my gosh. I'm so obsessed. Alright, so I'm going to take my little thin brush that's on the end of this, my eTools brush right here. And I'm going to mix that violet with that honey lavender. Wow, I'm obsessed with this look. I love it. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to take my, you guys already know, my favorite crap ever, my Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy. I'm going to put that above my eyebrow bone. Above my eyebrow bone, under my eyebrow bone, I guess. Whatever, but tapping it right here. So now I'm going to do highlight, and I'm using my what Aunt got me for Christmas, the Pro Highlight. And I'm going to use, what should I use? I need to put these in the light. I'm going to use Radiant right here, even though they all look the same, which is A-okay. I use that today. Ooh, I like this. Like, I'm one of those girls, I love highlight. I love how thick. I like mine thick. I don't like mine like really, just a thin little line. I mean, I don't know. That's just not me. Okay, so pretty much we're done. I bought this black sealer for lash extensions. So like it also gives me like a black tint to them too. So like I'm really happy I got this so I can actually like do something in my tutorials, so it doesn't look like I'm not doing anything to them when I am. So especially I like this, so when I'm getting like anything on my lashes. Oh my. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Rocket Volume Express by Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline. When I was younger, I used to love like that commercial. I do my inner corner eye with my Midnight Cowboy again. A beautiful color for like your eyebrow bone and like inner corner. You know, I haven't tried it as a highlight yet, and I should. I'm like, oh my gosh, she's a highlight, eyebrow highlight, inner corner highlight, everything. OMG, I'm a mess. Alright, so I am going to go brush my teeth, and then I'll be back. And I'll put lipstick on, and I'll end the video. So, I'm using this matte lip, the Chancer. I love this color, like, guys, trust me, I have tons of other lipsticks. It's just like I only use like certain ones in my videos. It's not even because I don't want to use them. It's just because like the looks I pick, it just doesn't go with them. But I don't know. You know, I'm about to add some of my Midnight Cowboy on here to get that like. I love it. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm too obsessed. Oh, okay. Whatever. So, when you get a chance, I want you to subscribe to my channel because I'm ending this video right now, and I want you to thumbs up if you like the look because I'm obsessed with it, and I'm about to go to work looking hot as hell. And maybe if I find my future husband in there, probably not. But anyway, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, and watch the videos I put at the end. At the end of this video of me ending the video. Okay, whatever. See you guys soon.